Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to charge your device properly. So to charge your device you have to use the USB Type-C port on the right edge of your computer. Insert your charging cable into this port, and I highly recommend using an original ASUS cable to this computer. This is what it looks like, and still, if you're using a substitute, the most important part is that you only use substitute from a reliable source, from a reliable manufacturer, and make sure that a substitute, if you're using a substitute AC adapter, provides your device with at least 45 watts of power, because otherwise your device won't be charged properly. So plug in your AC adapter into the charging into the power socket, and the other side of the cable into the charging port of your computer, and that's how you charge your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.